Holy Christ. Oh, now people are stopping. Holy mackerel, look at this. Trains are stopped. Jeez.
こちらは防災センターです。ただいま大きな地震が発生しております。皆様は机の下に身を隠し、身の安全を図ってください。こちらは消防防災センターです。ただいま大きな地震が発生しております。
He's just get under a table, he says.
まずは身の安全を図ってください。また火器を使用している方は火器の使用を中止してください。こちらは総合防災センターです。ただいま大きな地震が発生しております。ただいま大きな地震が発生しております。館内の皆様は机の下に身を隠し、落ち着いて行動してください。
Sounds like it's settling down now.
総合防災センターです。
Wow.
You guys hear it?
Traffic's starting back up again down there.
Down, but man, that went for over a minute, and then it took about a minute to settle down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite a bit to slide the chair around there. Had it not bumped into something, that would have kept moving.
Yeah. Wow. I think we're cool.
Yeah.
I think the building's got to settle down.
Yeah. I mean, we're on the 30th floor here, so.
You want to see the plan?
Man. Oh. You guys okay?
Needless to say, it shakes the person out.
Yeah.
総合防災センターです。館内で大きな地震が発生しております。館内の皆様は身の安全を確保し、落ち着いて行動してください。こちらは総合防災センターです。
Okay.
先ほど大きな地震が発生しております。館内の皆様は机の下に身を隠すなど、余震に対応準備して身の安全を図ってください。以上です。
If you go outside, you can get hit by falling things if they start falling. So.
Well, there's going to be aftershocks.
First we need to find out where the epicenter was. I mean, that was kind of close, I'm sure, but.
They're moving.
Wow. Yeah. Well, there's no major.
I don't see any damage, but man, that was shaky.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see the ceiling.
Wow. Okay.
That lab is. Anyways.
Damn.
Oh, shut up. Who cares about voice quality?
Your voice quality sounded pretty good.
Yeah. All right.
The building is still shaking.
Yeah.
Starting up again.
Buildings. Well, the internal dampeners are going to take some time to get rid of the energy of it.
It seems like it's quieting down, is it?
Yeah.
Still is moving a little bit.
Yeah, that's scary.
Yeah.
I don't like doing that.
Okay, guys, this will be on YouTube.
It's certainly scary being on the 30th floor. I'll tell you that. Not that being on the first floor would be any better if it was.
Wow.